Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into Cardano right now. Before I begin though, just once again thank you for your continued support across the entire CoinsKid community here. Not just the comments on the videos, but your contributions towards the Telegram group there. We've got a great bunch of people in there and they're really helping this thing flourish, and it's great, it's really good to see. And thank you for your continued support, comments, likes, shares, and obviously subscription. Thank you very much. Okay, so we're just going to dive into Cardano right now, and as you can see, yesterday we were targeted. I think we was the bullish cross. I cover that many projects, honestly I forget where I am, and that's the truth of it. But I think with Cardano we were targeting the bullish cross. Yeah, we got the bullish cross, didn't we? We had that bearish cross and bullish cross, and I said to you, when you form a bullish cross like that, I've never really seen that in quick succession, to be honest with you, and that just shows how strong Cardano actually is. And I was anticipating, I said you need that to give you that power to push you through, and look, we got through the 0.5. That this 0.5 has been acting like a major level of resistance, which is roughly $1.23, and what we're doing now, it's not closed yet, but you can see we're back testing it as support. Okay, so that's really good, really good for Cardano. We're back testing its support. You do need to see this candle stay above this 0.5, okay, 0.123, because you can't get back below that, because you're running into a wall again. And you've seen how difficult it was and what kind of move it took for Cardano to get through that. It was a bullish cross and plenty of volume as well. Look at the volume there. The volume stepped in. That was a whopping move, that was, wasn't it? That was huge. And obviously, when it got up there was a lot of selling that went off up there, because that's what happened. You got the selling wick there, the wick down. The selling pressure stepped in and pushed you down. But at the moment, it's looking relatively healthy. You've actually broke up and you've got above the 0.5, which it was acting as a really strong level of resistance around there for so long. Look at that, so long. These are 4-hourly candles, by the way. You know, resistance, loads and loads of resistance. Too much, far too much, crazy. Caught in a rock and a hard place. But bullish cross, bearish cross, bullish cross. You know, it's just, where's it going to go? Where's the power? The positive thing there was you got the bullish cross above the 0.382. So it was almost a massive signal to go long on Cardano right there, because that was the pressure and the push and the signal you needed to actually get you through this level right now. So once again, you do need to see yourself closing back above this level of resistance, because if you get caught underneath that again, you've got to go through all this again, where you've got to build up steam to get through and break that level. At the minute, the MACD doesn't look too bad. You've not formed no bearish cross yet, and you can see from the histogram there, it's starting to turn a little bit. So you're potentially looking at a bit of consolidation. What you might see here is that the price come down to the yellow line there. Okay, what's the time now? So that's 9 o'clock. So you've got 1 o'clock. So you've basically got 3 hours. You may see here, okay, that the price come down, bounce off this yellow line, which is currently 122, right? Get that bounce as a key level of support, because you can see the EMA is creeping up as well. And as this EMA creeps up, right, you see it starts to creep up. If it can start to creep up above that 0.5, you may start to see a bit of a base there, okay, because what you're doing, you're stepping up. Look, this goes up, and then you get the base above the 0.382. Yeah, you broke down, but you immediately come back up. So you had the base there, and you're just making levels of progression, because look, it's effectively doing what this is. Look at this move here, okay? So you've needed the power to get through there, okay? You got the power off this base, off the bottom. You had the bull step in, because look at the volume, okay? The volume pushed you up to save you. Then what you did, you hit your head on the 0.618, okay? High level of resistance. You come back down, and then you sort of consolidated, and you kept having a go at the 0.5, couldn't get through it, but you was trading on that range, okay? You was trading, consolidating in between the 0.5 and the 0.382. Really good, really strong, really healthy consolidation. Now what you potentially need to see yourself do for Cardano, you've made that extra leg up now, okay, and you stepped up. You basically need to see yourself trading within that, because if you start to come back down again, you're just going to go through the sort of same sort of thing that you've gone through here. And that was, if we can look at it, that was a range of roughly before you got the pop out, sort of 10 days, sort of 10 days consolidation in that range. So what you do need to see now is Cardano stay above the 0.5, effectively stay above 123, get some closes above that, and then start to trade and start to go sideways, so to speak, to build up more steam to get back above the 0.618, because you can see what it's done. It's gone up, it didn't get that far, massive selling pressure, come down, bounced off the 20 there, went back up, and it's hitting its head on the 0.618 again, just like it did there. Okay, and then you're getting forced down. You can see right now it's coming down to test the yellow line there, which is 20 EMA on the 4 hourly time frame, just as I'm recording that. You see that it's getting the bounce, so that's good. Hopefully this EMA starts to creep up. You do get above this, so you need to see the price closing after 1 o'clock UK time today above 123. Okay, you do need to see it staying above that, and then you will get caught in this sort of range here, okay, where you will trade sideways, and possibly it will potentially go on for the same duration. It's weird how things work, but sometimes they do work like that. You know, you could be looking at, you've got above from this range here, 10 days, you could roughly consolidate for 10 days in this range like this before you get some power again, and the momentum builds up, the MACD gets reset, the RSI is relatively reset anyway, so that could actually just curl and go. So just get yourself in this range before you build up some momentum, more power to take the next leg up and move on. But it's looking good, it is positive. Okay, you do need that level to hold. You see that it's just going down a bit. There's a little bit of selling pressure there today, and they're across the board for cryptos. Slow legs up, okay, and that's perfectly healthy. Like I said to you, you're not breaking down. You're bullish as, I can't really swear, but Cardano is mega bullish, okay, because you only have to zoom out on the daily. Yeah, it's mega bullish. Look at that, really bullish. Coiling up. When you look at that, it's like a spring. It's coiling up. See how it's coming together, like sucking in. That's like coiling up for a massive move. That is massive move, and that's potentially that move up there to that 0.168 1618 extension there. So it's looking good. There's nothing unhealthy about Cardano, and that's the valid truth. I wouldn't lie to you. There's nothing unhealthy about this chart. It's really healthy. And like I said to you as well, look where the 55 is. The 55 slowly creeping up, and that might be what it's looking for. Okay, you might be looking for that 55 to come up. Get up to it, okay, and that level of consolidation there, and get a little kiss and a touch off that 55. Refuel those rocket ships to give you that energy, because believe it or not, these retests give you energy, and get all the levels reset. MACD's reset. Look at this MACD on the daily time frame. Get that reset. You know, retest support and assurance that you don't fall through before you take the next leg up, just like you did down there. You went up, consolidated, boring, started coiling up, springing up. You see that it's springing up. Get the back test of 55 just there. Got that back test to the 55 way down there at sort of 14 cents, okay, before you absolutely rocketed and took off. So you do want to see that. You do want to see these retests of these EMAs, especially 55. If you can get a touch and bounce off 55, you're off to the races. So just once again, you're looking golden. There's no reason to be worried. You're just looking at a level of consolidation with these little legs up, get above these resistance levels, leg up, resistance levels, leg up, resistance levels. But yeah, you do need to see yourself close above 123 today to sort of continue in this continuation trend where you don't keep hitting your head on the 0.5 again. All right, do take care, guys. I'll be back tomorrow with another video and an update on Cardano. And once again, just thank you for your continued support across the channel there. I really do appreciate all the comments. I'm glad it's helping you. I'm glad these videos are helping people in crypto here. So yeah, do take care. Bye-bye. See you soon.